Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just bought this Rad Power e-bike. I'm pretty sure it's 48 volts, 750 watts, something like that. So I'm just gonna go through the whole thing and really just ride it around. It's honestly, I bought it and rode it all the way home, and it's really nice. Rides super smooth. Rear tire's kind of bald, but otherwise it's really nice e-bike in general. One thing I forgot to say is it only goes like 20 miles an hour, but we might be able to fix that. Apparently there's a limiter, but that's what I really forgot to say. So there's some stuff I need to straighten out, like straighten out these handlebars so they sit higher up. You know, tighten some stuff up like this because quite a bit older of an e-bike. And then go through this because this is not aligned up with the front sprocket. Just get that rear wheel aligned. So otherwise, instead of talking a whole bunch about it, let's get straight into it. This thing's a really cool beach cruiser. If I can find another one for a good price, I'm probably gonna buy it. Pretty slow though, but it makes up. I'm not complaining. It makes up in how comfortable it is because it's got a seat in front of me and then a whole back seat on it where the back rack is. So this before, I mean, it's kind of dirty and all that, but it's not really too much to clean up. It's mostly the rear wheel that needs fixed, but. I'm gonna pause the video real quick and say, with all the projects I've been doing, like the CB750, this e-bike, and all the other bikes in the shed, I've really been working hard to grow this channel up, and I'm only setting up around 560 subscribers, and I've been posting actual videos for about 2 years now. So if you guys can just hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and comment down below if you want to see anything else, that'd be greatly appreciated. But back to the video. So try to get more speed out of it. I did put a little piece of tape in here. I'll unplug it and show you. So covering one of the connectors, it makes it go a tiny bit faster, but it's only 750 watts. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors on the top, and then one on the bottom. It's a second one, counting clockwise, like if you're reading a clock. Only like 2 to 3 mile an hour gain, but it's something. Although it's not really that much, but it's still something to get it, make it go a little faster. So. And also the battery's dead, so it's not really a real test, but we'll see. So I'm going to take this out on a ride with my helmet on, just so you guys see. And I don't wear my gloves and helmet, but it's always good to. So it's got the classic moped style stand on it, which is really, really nice. And it's got pedal assist, all that. I usually do not run any pedal assist, and I just use the throttle. So it's not the fastest e-bike, it's just a nice cruiser. This isn't even on a full charge either. Gonna turn around right here. This one of those bikes is really awkward at first, but when you get used to it, it's really nice to ride around. And it will handle higher top speeds too. That's all I have for now. This bike is really, really nice. If I can find another one of these, most likely I'll do a video on it. So this is going to be my drone man's e-bike. So he's going to be able to come drive back and from work and come here to do drone shots. But it's really, this thing handles really nice, and even doing an upgrade on the motor, doing a 1,000-watt upgrade or something like that would be really, really cool to do. But otherwise, see you guys in the next one.